Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Jazzy Time and part 2 of my non-dominant hand infill. Again, like I mentioned in the other video, my dog is having a snorting attack. That's terrible. Dozer, are you okay? Anywho, sorry for getting distracted. Like I mentioned in the other one, my intro and outro videos that I had were misplaced. And we're not part of anything, so I'm just voicing this part over, and I will insert text for you guys. So I hope you enjoy the rest of this watch me work with my non-dominant hand. Alright, so we're gonna slow it down. So that is how I get to this stage on my left hand. Left hand so much, or sorry, my right hand. Doing it with my non-dominant hand, so much more harder when you're doing your non-dom hand. So I'm applying my connections to my nails here to make them re-sticky and ready for some gel. And this design is inspired by the gemstone peridot. So we're going a little green. Set that aside. Cure this for a few seconds. I'm going to grab my infatuations. And now I'm doing 3 nails, just a glitter. And then the other 2 are going to be a little different. So curing, waiting for some curing.
Do you have any appointments?
All right, so got my infatuations. So infatuations is a very, very, very thin, self-leveling builder gel. Very, very flexible. So I'm going to take my brush here, and I'm literally going to thinly brush it on. And I need something to stabilize my hand because my goodness, it's amazing. Your right hand is your strong, or vice versa. And it's amazing how awkwardly you have to hold it when you're trying to make it pretty. So brushing it on my pinky, index, and thumb. All right, so the glitter I'm going to apply is named Goldine, but it is like this beautiful peridot-y, yellowy, greeny, beautiful, beautiful. So I am going to take my fan brush and tap it up the nail, making sure to get the sides and the tip too, and then brushing away whatever extra. Check, check, check. Another ultra fine glitter. So these ultra fine glitters, when you're putting them on, when you're sugaring them on like this, cap very, very well and make for a smooth nail. All right. Just like gorgeous glitter, gorgeous glitter. All right. So I always do this in my fan to kind of clear off the extra glitter. Foos, he's nowhere near you. All right, there. And then, where is my... Uh-oh, don't you be putting stuff down the toilet, mister. Oh. And then I'm also going to apply base coat to my 2 accent nails. Because... No, Vinny, go on, bud. Every time. I'm almost done, buddy. Go hang out with Daddy. So hard. I don't understand. Why is it so difficult when you're a right-handed person to use your left to do stuff? All right, so I'm going to pop that into the light for a minute or 120 seconds, and I will be right back. All right, so we're cured here. I haven't capped any of the glitter yet just because I haven't gotten to that step yet. So I've got black polish. I might have to grab my other black polish, which is okay. So on my ring finger, going with black because I am going to burnish and then make matte a very beautiful powder. On here again. little taller. Don't touch, mister. Make sure to cap your dip. And you know what? I think I'm gonna I might just leave that. No. Yeah. I will. Do the same. Vincent, please stop touching mommy's things. Thank you. Oh, he gets so upset because he can't walk away with top coats and things like that. Okay, so I have applied the black to both, and I'm going to attempt a peekaboo. Up top of each nail with the black on it. Using my Smile 4 brush. I just have a cleanser soaked pad that I'm using to wet my brush with. It's amazing how toddlers have tantrums built in their DNA. They just know how to throw a tantrum. It's like I didn't teach them how to throw a tantrum. They just do it. And I'm going to cure this for 120 seconds, and I will be right back. All right, so I'm going to take my no wipe top coat first. And again, I haven't capped any other of the glitter. And I'm just going to go right over top of the black. Here he comes again. Cure that again, and I will be right back. Okay, so all cured here. So I have this green iridescent powder from Born Pretty. Oh goodness, be careful there. All right, and I'm just going to... I'm not going to go all the way up the nail. I just want to go over the black. Might not seem like it, but I am giving it a good rub. All right. Put the lid back on this. brush here. All right. So to keep your powders from chipping, go a base coat and then your top coat. So I'm going to base coat these and I'm going to cap these with Sheer Brilliance. And I'm going to cure and I will be right back. All right, so next step I'm going to put no wipe top coat on the 3 glitter nails, and I'm going to go matte top coat on the center nails with the burnishment on them, and then I will be right back once again. I'm trying not to bore you guys with too long of a video. So just with the matte top coat, when you have a matte gel, it's just like regular matte. You want to give it a really good shake before you apply, and you want to make sure you're doing it thinly, because if you go too thick, you can get pretty streaky. And I do not like the streaky look with my matte top coats. I like it to look velvety. Okie dokie. So I'm going to give these a cure and I will see you guys all in a minute. All right, some final steps here. Get rid of this, move that. So I am going to add a little bit of bling. So I have my glue palette thingy I use and my dotting tool I use for my glue. So I'm going to cleanse these, even though these are no wipe top coat, these ones. No wipe top coat tends to resist things like cuticle oil and glue. So if you don't give it a wipe with some cleanser, you're gonna have some issues having your bling stick. All right. Gotta love it. All right, so I am just going to add some blingity bling. I'm gonna show you guys what I have, and then I'll fast forward through that part, and then I will see you all at the outro. So I have some Swarovskis. I have some teardrop shaped. I hope that'll focus. Focus. There we go. Some teardrop shaped rhinestones in silver, and just some round silver rhinestones. And that's what we're gonna do. All right, so I am just using my glue here. I've never mentioned the name of it to you guys yet, but it's called the Big Bondini. One of the best glues I've come across here. So I'm just putting a single Swarovski on the glitter nails, and the burnished matte nails, I am just lining that little peekaboo with some little rhinestones and the teardrop shaped rhinestones, just keeping it simple for the left hand. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Click comment, like, subscribe, and share with the universe. Keep coming back, YouTube family. You know I love you. Follow me on Instagram, bc_daddy_time, and please follow my business page, Beautiful Nails by Design, BEETIFUL, not BEA. Anywho's, I hope you guys all enjoy. Stay tuned and stay jazzy.